Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone or iPad is stuck on the iCloud activation lock screen, and you don't have the Apple ID or password, it can feel like the device is completely unusable. But today, I'm going to show you how the latest version of TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. It can help remove activation lock, and in many cases, without jailbreaking. This new V3.5 update supports multiple scenarios, especially for iPhone models from iPhone 6s to iPhone 10 running iOS 12 to iOS 16.7.15. Let's jump in. Before removing the activation lock, go to the official website and download TunesKit iPhone Unlocker, install and launch the program on your computer. Now let's look at the different scenarios. Scenario 1. No jailbreak needed. This is the easiest and most recommended method. If you're using an iPhone 6s through iPhone 10, and your iOS version supports jailbreak-free unlocking, here's what to do. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. Read and agree to the disclaimer, then click Start. Your device will automatically enter recovery mode. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to manually put the device into DFU mode. After that, the software will begin removing the activation lock automatically. Just wait a few moments and done. The activation lock has been removed successfully. This process is much easier now in V3.5 because no jailbreak is required for supported systems. Scenario 2. Upgrade iOS first for jailbreak-free unlocking. Now let's say your device supports jailbreak-free unlocking, but your current iOS version is too old. In this case, TunesKit will guide you through an upgrade automatically. Again, connect your device to the computer, agree to the disclaimer, and click Start. The software will detect that your system needs an upgrade before it can remove the activation lock without jailbreak. Now click Upgrade and Auto Unlock. TunesKit will begin downloading the required firmware package. Once the download is complete, click Start Upgrade. Your iPhone will update its iOS version automatically. After the upgrade finishes, the software will return to the activation lock removal page. Click Start again to recheck whether your device now supports jailbreak-free unlocking. If supported, your device will automatically enter recovery mode, then simply follow the instructions to manually enter DFU mode. After that, the activation lock removal process will begin automatically. A few moments later, the activation lock is successfully removed. This is honestly one of the biggest improvements in version 3.5. Scenario 3. Manual jailbreak. In Scenario 2, if you don't want to upgrade your iOS version, you can choose the manual jailbreak option instead. TunesKit can automatically download the jailbreak tool, such as Checkra1n, and guide you through the jailbreak process step by step. After jailbreaking, simply click Start Remove to remove the iCloud activation lock. For iOS 15 through iOS 16 devices, you may need to enter DFU mode more than once during the process. Scenario 4. Older devices like iPhone 5s and iPhone 6. For even older devices like iPhone 5s, iPhone 6, or 6 Plus, some iPads and iPods, a manual jailbreak is currently required as well. The process is very similar. Connect the device, download the jailbreak tool, complete jailbreak mode, then remove the activation lock inside TunesKit. So that's how you can remove iCloud activation lock using the new TunesKit iPhone Unlocker version 3.5. The new jailbreak-free support makes the process much easier for many older iPhone models. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.